In this part, we are going to create this index page. And sometime when you look at your website, after refresh, the style will gone after the refresh. So to fix this, we have to install these Babel plugin style components. So we copy this and back to our project, and then we stop the server, and we type yarn add and paste this component's name. And then at the same time, we go to the root folders and create a new file called .babelc .babelc, and then we copy this and back to this config and paste to here. And at the same time, we have to add another preset, and then we set as next Babel and save it. And then we have to delete this folder and let it compile again. So we delete these folders and move to trash. And then we type yarn dev. And now we back to our app and refresh. And then you can see the styles appear again. Now we go back to the project and we continue on creating the index page. So we back to the pages and click on the index.js. And then we remove this. Instead, we use a div. And then we add the image. And before we continue, we should paste the image inside our public folders. And this is the WhatsApp home. And then we go back to index.js and we use the image from Nextjs, and we type the source is equal to WhatsApp home.jpg, and we set the height is equal to 250 pixels and width is also equal to 250 pixels. And then we close this image tag, and we should already import the image from next image. And then we are going to type this to sentence. So we paste this paragraph and also paste the headers on top of this paragraph, and then we click save. And now we can see the image and also the text, and we want to align this to the center. So we have to add the style at the div. So we set the style is equal to width is equal to 50%, and also the text align should be center. So now you can see the image and also the sentence is at the center of this gray area.